Israel controls one of the most advanced air forces on Earth. From stealth fighters to long-range strike jets, these aircraft give Israel immense power in the skies. F-35 Adir, one of the most advanced jets in Israel's arsenal, is the F-35 Adir. This stealth fighter is built to penetrate enemy air defenses without being detected. Advanced sensors and powerful data fusion give pilots a complete picture of the battlefield. The result is simple. The Adir can strike targets before the enemy even knows it is there. The F-15B Baz was one of the early Eagle fighters used by Israel. Despite its age, it still delivers impressive speed and strong combat capability. Over the years, multiple upgrades have kept the aircraft effective. Even today, the Baz remains a respected air superiority fighter. Lockheed Martin F-35 Lightning II, one of the most advanced jets in Israel's arsenal, is the F-35, a stealth fighter built to penetrate enemy air defenses without being detected. Advanced sensors and powerful data fusion give pilots a complete view of the battlefield. This allows the F-35 to see threats long before older fighters ever could. F-16D Barak Block 40. The F-16D Barak Block 40 adds more advanced avionics and upgraded mission systems. With 2 crew members on board, complex missions become easier to manage. The aircraft performs especially well in coordinated strike operations. That capability makes it a highly effective combat platform. Continuing with the helicopters, AH-64 Apache. The AH-64 Apache is one of the most lethal attack helicopters in the world. It is armed with powerful cannons, rockets, and anti-tank missiles. This firepower allows it to destroy armored vehicles and support ground forces. In close combat, the is a deadly force. CH-53C Stallion. The CH-53C Stallion is a heavy-lift transport helicopter. It can carry troops, equipment, and even vehicles into combat zones. This capability makes it essential for military logistics. It allows forces to move quickly across the battlefield. Bell 2 and 6, the Bell 2-06, also known as the OH-50, 8 Kiowa, is used for reconnaissance missions. It observes enemy positions and gathers battlefield intelligence. This information helps commanders make better strategic decisions. Because of this role, the Kiowa serves as a valuable surveillance platform. But before pilots can fly these deadly machines, they must first learn to master the sky. Trainer aircraft M346 Lovi, the M346 Lovi, is Israel's advanced jet trainer. It prepares pilots to fly modern fighter aircraft. Advanced simulation systems replicate real combat scenarios. This aircraft trains the next generation of Israeli fighter pilots. F-15 Eagle. The F-15 Eagle has also served as a training platform for Israeli pilots. It helps pilots understand high-performance fighter operations. This experience prepares them for modern combat aircraft. The Eagle remains one of the most respected fighters in aviation history. Grob G120. The Grob G120 is a basic trainer aircraft. It teaches new pilots the fundamentals of flight, navigation, aircraft control, flight discipline. It represents the first step in a fighter pilot's journey. T-6 Texan II. The T-6 Texan II is another important trainer aircraft. It bridges the gap between beginner training and advanced jet training. Pilots practice complex maneuvers and navigation skills. It prepares them for the challenges of fighter aviation. AW-119. The AW-119 is a light training helicopter. It helps helicopter pilots develop essential flying skills. These skills are critical before moving to larger combat helicopters. The AW-119 plays an important role in pilot preparation, but modern warfare is no longer fought only by pilots. Unmanned aircraft now play a critical role on the battlefield. Unmanned aerial vehicles. Eitan. The Eitan is one of Israel's largest unmanned aerial vehicles. It can remain in the air for long periods of time. This allows it to monitor large areas, track targets, and gather intelligence. Because of this capability, The Eitan plays a critical role in long-range surveillance missions. IAI Heron. The IAI Heron is a high-altitude reconnaissance drone. It can conduct long-endurance missions over large regions. The drone provides real-time intelligence to military commanders. That information is essential for modern battlefield decisions. Hermes 900. The Hermes 900 is a modern unmanned surveillance aircraft. It carries advanced sensors for intelligence gathering. These systems allow operators to monitor threats over long distances. Because of this capability, the Hermes 900 is widely used for reconnaissance missions. Hermes 450. The Hermes 450 is a tactical unmanned aircraft. It provides surveillance and targeting support for ground forces. The intelligence it gathers helps guide precision strikes. Because of its reliability, the Hermes 450 has become one of Israel's most widely used drones. Orbiter 4. The Orbiter 4 is a small tactical drone. It is designed for battlefield reconnaissance and surveillance. This allows forces to monitor enemy activity in real time. During operations, the Orbiter 4 provides valuable battlefield intelligence.